am going to tell you how to add a button in a map in an Elementor. As you can see right now, I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we are going to create a new section, and for creating a new section we will simply click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, and here it is asking us whether we want flex box or whether we want a grid. So I am going to select a grid over here, and in the structure we can select the 1 row and 2 column structure. Okay, it's done. And here we can simply add a map in the first column, and for adding a map in the first column we will simply move our cursor over the plus icon in the black header line on the top for adding a widget, and here we will simply search for HTML, and then we will simply drag and drop this HTML into the first container or first column. And here I have simply searched for digital Bikana on the Google Maps, and now I will click on share. This particular thing I am doing on a new tab, right? I have simply searched for digital Bikana on the Google Maps, and when we click on share button, it asks us whether we want a link or whether we want to embed a map. So here I am going to embed a map. So I have selected embed a map and then selected the size of the map. So small I want, and then we'll click on copy HTML, and I am back to the Elementor editor tab, and here I will simply paste the HTML code in the left side toolbar. Okay, my map has been added. Now what I want to add a button over this map, right? So for adding a button, again I am creating a new section under this section. So for creating a new section, we will click on plus icon in the middle of the screen, and then again I am going to select grid, and in the structure I am going to select the first one, the 1 row and 2 column structure. You can select as per your requirement, right? And here I am going to add element. So for adding an element, I have clicked on the plus icon in the black top header line, and here I will simply search for button widget, and then will simply drag and drop this button widget into the second section, first column, right? And now as you can see, our map is above and the button is below the map, right? So I want to overlap this button with this particular map. So for overlapping the button, you just need to edit this button, and for editing the button you just need to move your cursor over the button, and you will see a pen icon in the top right corner. So I clicked on that, and left side toolbar we can simply change the text of this button in the content setting, for example view map, and in the link I can add the link of our business listing. So I'm going back to the another tab where I have opened my Google business listing on Google Maps, and here I will click on share again and will copy this link. Okay, now I'm back to the Elementor editor tab, and here I will simply paste the link of my Google business listing, right? Now what I want is I want to move this button over the map, right? So for moving the button over the map, you just need to go to the advanced setting in the left side toolbar, and here you can simply go to layout and then margin setting, and then delink the values, and then simply decrease the top. Okay, it's going above, done. Now I want to move it to little bit left side. Okay, done. Okay, so this is how you can add a button over the map in Elementor. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.